That's right.
You see, there's a lot of healing movements going. There's a lot of glory movements going. But is there holiness inside the healing? Is there holiness inside the glory?
That's right. That's right.
Because see, healing movements only last for a season.
That's right.
Glory movements only last for a season. Y'all see it? But holiness is not a season.
That's right.
Holiness is an everyday walk.
That's right.
Holiness is an everyday talk.
That's right.
Holiness is an everyday living. When you get through with all of your movements, it's still coming down. Be ye holy, for I'm holy.
That's right. That's right.
That's it.
That's right.
There's nothing else to it.
Amen.
If you walk holy, you fulfill everything else.
Come on.
That's it. Amen.
The early disciples were so much like Christ that they were called Christians because they imitated Christ. Think about that. Y'all remember when Jesus was going to the cross, when Peter was around them, how did they know that Peter was one of the disciples? They said, ain't you one of those disciples of Jesus? When the last time somebody asked you that? Or did they say, I thought you were saved? When was the last time somebody told you, yeah, you one of those more serious Christians? See, that's what they call sanctified folks. Now they call you a more serious Christian. I was glad when they said that to me because, yeah, you're right. I'm serious about my salvation.
That's right.
I'm serious because I don't want to go to hell.
That's right.
I'm serious because I do love Jesus so much that I'm not going to mess with you.
That's right.
I'm not putting up with your stuff.
Amen.
I'm that serious.
That's right.
Can they look at you and see Christ? Can they look at you and want to do what you're doing? Or are they looking at you and you doing what they doing? That's the positive aspect of holiness. The negative aspect of holiness means the withdrawal or separation from things impure and abominable in the eyes of God. If we are to be holy, some things must be denied this flesh. You can't give your flesh everything it wants.
Amen.